Pilihan to ng mga gamit. Sales. Ayan o. Ang init dito. What's this? Handy 3 oh. We buy something that is not. We go the other way. This way. Nasa field kami. At ang dami people.
Pinipidyo mo pa itong
Pilipina. Pilipina.
Oo, kamusta?
Buti naman.
Saan kayo din eh?
Chantam.
Oh, Chantam.
I'm with my brother. Kayo po, saan kayo?
Diyan, meron kaming caravan sa All Hallow. Nag-ano lang kami na.
Ngayon ako napunta rito eh.
Really? Oh, it's really nice. I come here every Sunday.
Every Sunday. Just have your vacation. 2 months vacation.
Dito?
Opo.
Oh, saan kayo?
Sa Manila, Caloocan.
Oh, galing kayo sa Maynila.
Oo. Galing ako Caloocan. Nung pag July 5 ako dito.
My God, you have to come all the way to Caloocan to see this match.
Not only this, we're going in London next week.
Oh, nasa London ako. Aga.
Dito na po kayo nakatira? Ay, kababayan here.
Taga Maynila ako.
Saan po kayo sa Manila?
Sa Tondo.
Tondo. Tondo girl. Brave girl. Sige po.
Enjoy.
Ako po, enjoy po. Nice meeting you, ma'am. I met someone from Manila. Oh.
That's easy.
Huh?
There's a hose reel for the guy.
I'm glad I put some sunblock.
You don't need sunblock.
Because it's too hot. I need it. You don't need it. But I need it. Yeah, you want to get tan. I don't want to get tan. Daming tao. Wala pa kami nabibili sa dami. Oh, it's a manso. You get a lot of that at home. Oh, plants. There you go. Look, $2.50 only. You're avoiding it.
Yeah, exactly. The one and only plant I've got is
No,
the world.
I have to repot the aloe vera because it's growing so fast. Just want a bigger pot.
Well, look for a bigger pot than here.
Yeah, there.
You're very funny.
No, you can buy there. They have soil and pots over there.
Yeah. You think I'm so fucking stupid.
No.
I'm not going down that route this morning. Get it?
You're so rude.
Exactly.
Exactly. You're so rude.
Dream on.
Yan. Dreaming on. Ito kami sa pier, oh. It's pier. What is that building? It's beautiful. Over there. What?
That's more like, that's a water station, water pump station.
Oh, it's nice, oh. Look at the structure. And
They're
there's...
joking everywhere, right?
Let's go up there. Let's go over there, honey. Okay. I don't like to be under the sun. I'm telling you. I'm gonna ride the bus. Give me my wallet. Oh, ganda oh. Bus station. Yan oh, double deck. Sana makasakay ako. Nasa pier kami, pier number 5. Are you saying? Nasa pier kami, sakay kami ng barko. Kaya lang mamaya pang alas 11 pala. Oh, mali na naman kami. Galing kasi kami dun sa ano nila, parang bazaar sa ating Tiangge. Ang init, nagyaya na ako. Sabi ko, ang init, di ko mainit. It's 9 o'clock in the morning, pero ang init. Alam naman nyo tayo mga Pilipina, mga Pinoy. Sila gusto nila under the sun. We don't want to be under the sun. Tingnan nyo yung kasama ko. Oh. Ayun siya, sa arawan. Ako na dito ako. Sarado pa tong mall eh. Oh. Sarado pa. No one see. Ang ganda nun, no? Yung building na yun. Yun, no? That one. Under na yung bus. Yan. May time sila dito. Buka. 11. For example, 9:45. Dun sila aalis. Puno o hindi puno. Kasi by wage sila eh. Swelduhan sila. Hindi katulad sa atin na punuan. Dito kahit ilan ng pasahero mo, basta time nilang umalis. Aalis sila kasi dun sa next bus station may naghihintay eh. So, ito siguro 9:22. Dadating siya dun sa isang bus station ng 10:22. Or earlier than 20. Yan. Nasa pier kami. Sarado pa. Ang init ngayon dito sa England. Ayun yung mga yate. Ando doon yung mga yate. Goodbye, bus. Why are you under the sun? What?